Karthik Garg. Today I will tell you that how can you print a table using for loop. It is so easy to print a table using for loop, and I will tell you how you can print it up. And for that, I have to open the Xcode app. As I've already told you that on Mac we are going to use Xcode for C++ coding. Okay, you can check in my earlier videos on my channel by subscribing to my channel. To print a table using for loop. Great. Okay, I will tell you the proper syntax by writing the whole syntax, and then I will run the program and you can see that how I have made it, and I will even explain you that how you can make that code easily and how you are uh, going to make yourself friendly with that. Okay, don't go on my words, but to check all the code on your own. What is happening? Imagine. Remove this all stuff. Okay, now we are going to declare the variables that we are going to use in the loop ij. Simply, first of all, I will tell you the this video will tell you that this is the part 1 actually. In this I will tell you to print that how you can print a table of only single digit like 5 or 3 or 4 using for loop. Okay, it is so simple, and for which I do not need j. Remove it, or I can do it, I can use it instead of j. Write n and ask the user that what he wants. If he wants to print a table of 5 or 2, then he will be asked for that, and he will give you the number. You will be going to take that number in n, and after that you will be going to run a for loop program in which you will use I and run the program from 1 to 10. Okay, and you will print each and every value by cout extractor and n star I. Simple, so simple. And I now see to it what I am going to do now. Okay, now we shall do the practical work. Enter the number whose table is to be printed. Whose table is to be printed, and see in this number in n. Take this value from user in n, and now run the for loop program. Okay, for I is equals to 1, I less than equals to 10. Okay, and then I plus plus. Okay, that's fine. Now we are going to print the table. Okay, so first of all, tell the person, actually he has already told us that for which number we are going to print the table, but then also give the user that you are printing the table of this number, and then particularly in a particular tabular format you should be printing the values like 5 cross 1 is equals to 5, like that, and it would look very pretty and nice also. So now I'm going to display that, but not in the loop, because every time the loop gets incremented, the value of I gets incremented, the same syntax, the same line that the table is of this number would be printed on the screen. So I will write this statement here: cout table is of the number n. Nice. And now we are going to print the table of cout slash n. You have to write that one. Okay, how to write 5 cross 1 and equals to 5, I will tell you. It's so simple. You have to just break the statements by using proper colons and not colons, proper inverted commas and extractors. So cout slash n, for such slash n I'm using for start. Every 5 multiple should be printed in new line, which will make a table, not a line. We do not want to print a line, we want to print a table, for which I have to change line every time the loop gets incremented. I gets incremented. Cout I. Now cross. Now what I have done. Here should be the I and here should be n. Now it's now right equals to, now the value is recorded n star I. Okay. Command run the program. I think the program is fine. Yes, it is succeeded. That means the program is fine. Now we are going to enter the number from it's very easy. You can enter any number because I have not set a limit here that print like to the user, like oh hey, print from 1 to 10. So you can print anywhere. You can user can enter anywhere, like I have entered 20 or B2. Okay, now it is a table of 2. So simple. 2 ones are 2 twos are, yes, from 1 to 10. The whole table of 2 has been printed here correctly. You can check it. So simple it is. So this is the simple process of printing a table from for loop. Check it out again. What we have done here, we have in the main we have write that integer declare the variables of int type I and n, I for the loop, n for the value for taking from the user, and then we have taken the value from the user whose table is to be printed, and then we have printed like here we have taken the value, and then afterwards we have shown the user that we are going to print the table of the number this. Then afterwards simply open the for loop. Statement is of for loop is simply easy, but sometimes people got stuck here, and it is too basic that if you focus on it easily, if you can focus on it, then it can be understood easily. Like what I am telling, just listen to it keenly and see here, like for I is equals to 1, I less than equals to 10, I plus plus. What does it mean? It actually tells you that the initial value of I is 1, that is I will be starting from 1, and the maximum value of I is 10, because we have written I less than equals to 10, so it will not go above 10, and the last value would be 10, and that we want. And every time this condition is true, I would be incremented, like I is equals to 1 and 1 is less than equals to 10, that is true. So next I would be 2 because of I plus plus. So simple. Now this syntax is easy. Slash n for new line and the value, and x I, the I would be changing every time, n is constant, and n star I would give the product, and it would be like this: 2 cross 1, 2 cross 2, 2 cross 4. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you, bye, tata.